I decided to put together a masterclass that would really hone in on all the skills and all the tools and techniques that I've discovered that have worked so well for thousands of people all over the world. And what I found so important in creativity is realizing your limited thinking on how we perceive the world from a very limited lens. So my job, first of all, is to get into companies and show them how the way they've been perceiving the issues they're facing is from a very linear, limited framework. So I introduce non-linear thinking and integrate the quantum view of the world. What we find is that the brain is a quantum machine. The brain does not think linearly. The brain thinks quantum. And so our thinking, because we've been programmed for a very long time to follow this linear form of thinking, we've limited something that has so much capability into a small understanding of life. And so for me, it's to unmask and bring forward the quantum mind in order for us to be able to create solutions, to innovate, to find solutions to problems that we haven't investigated fully. Because Einstein said so beautifully, you can't solve a problem from the same level of awareness that created the problem. So you can't fix the problem from that level of thinking that created the problem, which means that a new level of thinking has to come into the picture. So what I never talk about is this box concept, because we always taught to think outside the box. The problem is you've defined a box, when in reality there is no box, because the universe is infinite and there is not limited by time or space. I want to bring all this knowledge that I've gained from ancient wisdom, from the Zen teachings of self-awareness, of meditation, from across the entire spectrum of teachings, and bring them into modern day context and into our boardrooms and into our corporate spaces, where we can utilize ancient wisdom along with modern techniques to supercharge your creativity so that you can be super successful in all your work and in your relationships and in all of life. One of the side effects that people tell me that they get out of the course is that they realize how limited their view of themselves was. And so rather than you being able to solve one specific problem, you now have a quantum mind, a non-linear mind. When you apply that to the issues in your life and the things that you want to achieve, you realize that it's your thinking that has been limiting you all the time to achieve those things. And so once you change your thinking, those things now no longer seem impossible and become part of your existence, which makes it much easier for you to achieve. So there's many things you gain from attending the course, and the most important thing is you change the way you think. And if you change the way you think, you change your life entirely. So I urge you to join this masterclass so that you can take advantage of it. I'm super excited of sharing all these tips that I've gained and all this wisdom that I've gained and all the experiences and examples of how this knowledge on creativity has caused a surge in profitability, in productivity, in efficiency, in gaining confidence, and also clarity, because we live in an age right now where there's a lot of confusion. And these techniques will give you such clarity so you can see the whole picture and you can focus on the mini parts and solve this problem from a new level of thinking. Join me today. I'm excited to show you all these secrets that I've got. Let's get started.